Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In the last video, I had explained to you about VLOOKUP with if error. In today's video, I'll be explaining you how can I use VLOOKUP and if formula. So let us see our sample data. You can download this sample data from my description. Now this is my data. We have given you some salesperson names. Years are given. Sales. Commission rate, we would like to calculate the commission rate, and I've given you two tables like this, which says if it is less than 3 years, then it will come from this table. 0 to 5,000 means 1.5%, 5,000 to 10,000 means 3.25, like that. I've given, this is for less than 3 years, and this is for more than 3 years, Kelly. So now if you want to do something like this, now if it is more than 3 years, like if you see here, 2, this is 2 years. So that means it will take it from here. This is less than, it is 2, no? So it will come from this table. According to the sale, it will take the rate. If it is more than 3 years, like you can see a 6 is there, 4, more than 3 years, then it will come from this table. So for that, what you must do, first of all, you have to give a name for these tables. You have to, you can give any name. I'm not selecting this table first. From this full table, you select first. So I've selected this range. And then you use your name box and give some name here. I'm just giving a name called as table 1. So I'm giving table 1. You cannot give a space as it doesn't allow space. Enter. Same thing I do with over here also. This you can give as table 2. So once you selected this range, click over here and give a name called as table 2. So I'm giving a name called as table 2. Enter. So now the formula you have to use is like this. Keep a cell point over here on commission rate. The formula is equal to VLOOKUP tab C3. C3 is your sales, comma. Then you use your if formula. Then your if formula will come if, and what you're saying is if your sales, that is B3, that is your years, B3 is less than 3. That means if it all the years is less than 3, then comma, it will take it from this table, table 1, which I have already given the name. See, table 1, tab. Otherwise, comma, if it is more than 3, then it should come from table 2. So you write table 2 over here, close the bracket, comma 2, and close the bracket. 2 stands for your column index number, that is your rate. So once you done this much, you can press enter. So as you can see that this is 2 years, no? That's 1,20,000. See, 2 years means it is coming from this table, less than 3 years. See, 7%. So if you drag it for the others, this you can double click also. So I should get for the answer. See, commission rate. So if it is more than 3 years, for example, if you see this 4 and all, it's coming from this table. According to this value, this is 18,000. So it is 0 set 50,000. So it is coming here, 2% here. So this is the advantage of using this, if you use VLOOKUP and if formula using tables. Commission, if you want to calculate, this is how you do it. Equal to you saying, that is sales, that is C3, that you multiply with that with your D3. Enter. So that should give you this answer, 8,400. So now again, if you double click here, I should get the answer. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.